Big boy na among kid, oh. Mag-vacuum na siya. Look at that. I still have more hair, palalab. Come back here. See that? Okay, just a moment. I put... Okay, I'll get it. Okay. Ah, big boy na buyag among Kyler, oh. He know how to clean up the floor. He knows how to keep things in order. Especially his toys. Good boy na si Kuya, oh. Napalablab, oh. Come back here. Kabalo na mong kay manghinlo. Oh. Love, you should wash your feet. It's very dirty, your feet. Can I? Yeah. Yeah, you should do like that. I show you how to make it. See, in that one there still have there. See, the front. See. You're such a good boy, Kai. You know. A good boy.